nothing comes out, nothing works, no matter what. And the harder you try, it seems sometimes, the worse the block is. So it's real, and it happens. It's happened to me, and it happens to everyone. So don't feel too bad about it. How do I overcome it? Well, that's one of the reasons that I developed the melody experiment. Okay, so the writer's block, I've found, is solved by having different approaches to songwriting and tackling it from different angles. So if I'm used to just normally, just picking up, whatever, a chord progression and just, humming on top of that, whatever. And then just getting inspiration like, baby, don't you wanna be live with me? Baby, that on my mind. Baby, didn't on the sideline. Baby, don't you cry? Something like that. Like if I normally did that, like that let's say that's my songwriting technique. I find a chord progression I like that inspires me and moves me, and then I do something on top of that. And I'm stuck, right? And I'm blocked, and it's not working for me anymore. Well, try a different technique. That's why I've got freestyle technique, which is basically that. It's basically finding a chord progression that you like and just humming on top of it, just out of the blue, right? That's the freestyle technique. But then there's the inspired writing technique, okay, where you get a song that you love, a song that you know, and you get inspiration from it. And there's the favorite mistake technique, which is also inspiration from a song you know, but it's a different, as you know, a different technique. If you haven't gotten to that yet, and you've jumped to the Q&As here, the inspired writing technique is basically getting a song that you know, a song that you love, okay, and using the chord progression of that song and altering the melodic line, okay? Whereas the favorite mistake technique is the opposite. So we get a song that we love, a song that we know, and we change the chord progression, but keep the same melodic line. So basically what these are is different approaches, and that's for melody, of course, melodic writing, different approaches to tackle this problem of songwriting, especially when you're blocked, when you're in a slump. Now for lyric writing as well, I think it's a total of 8 different methods of writing lyrics, of getting inspiration to write lyrics. Okay, you can't just have one. I used to just have one, right? And if that didn't work, then you're stuffed, right? You're stuck. But if you have multiple ways of writing a song, that's your best bet out of a songwriting slump or writer's block, what we call writer's block. Another great way to get over writer's block is using a different instrument. Okay, so you play guitar, get rid of the guitar, okay? Pick up a piano or a keyboard. If you don't own one, there's virtual ones online, okay? There's a lot of virtual pianos and virtual instruments. Forget about pianos, all kinds of virtual instruments where you can explore a particular chord progression with a different instrument. It opens up a completely new horizon of possibilities just because it's a new instrument, believe me. It's the same chords, same chord progression, different instrument, different inspiration. You get different melodic ideas coming out of that.